student. Mostly highly opens are Noida. Mainly the more locations are in a Noida locations. Currently, I think it's Noida, Trivandrum also. Most of the openings are there. Okay, Hyderabad, very less locations. We can't get. Yeah, we'll come to that. Okay, locations opening. Yeah, right. Again, there is a one point, guys, for locations and shifts. Most common question in interview also, right? Guys, wherever you, for example, I came from the Vishakhapatnam. I got a job in Hyderabad, for example. Where I have to stay as a fresher? No one is there in Hyderabad. Where I have to stay? I have to stay in the hostels only. Remember that one. I have to stay in the hostels only. No choices, right? Whether it is boy or girl. So my best is hostels. For example, no, it's not Hyderabad. I got a job opportunity in Bangalore or Chennai or Noida. Where I have to stay? Same thing, hostels only. Okay. Hostels are most of the hostels near to your job location. So transportation also become easier for you. Okay. So if it is Bangalore, Chennai, so you can choose different hostels for a food based on your locality base from which location you came from. So that is based on that you can choose it. Noida, it's a north based food only, but just little conversations. Once after, so better not to go to rooms. It is better always. Okay. As any fresher guy, whatever the salary you are getting, okay, you can't stay by taking one single house. Now I am staying in a house. I'm paying, that is a very less paying I'm doing, that is 17,000. For me, it is very high, 17,000. But I must pay for at least 70,000. In Hyderabad, you want to take a 2 BHK, at least 1 BHK is around 16,000 to 20,000 in Hyderabad. Okay. So, you with the salary, like entire salary, you are paying for that, right? No, so that is not about a salary also, security as because you're living alone. So next one is any location is okay, guys, you know problem. Okay. Anywhere you must go because the company, what is the rare requirement is the flexible people who are willing to work from any location. That to no binding people, freshers. No binding, no marriages, nothing, no kids, no family kind of stuff, right? Not no family does not mean no personal, like you should be there, that kind of stuff. Flexible people are required. Okay. Yeah. So people able to work even after you gain experience, not only in HCL, guys, any company. Before I came to Hyderabad 70s, I worked in Pune location. Even occasionally, I will go yearly once. I have to go at least yearly once or twice. I have to go to Pune to give specific kind of training, mainly this data science, Power BI related trainings. I should go out to the Pune, stay in the hotel, and provide a training. Okay, even you become a senior depends upon your organization, depends upon your branch offices of organizations. You must go to the different locations. Sometimes you have to go to client location to work for certain period of time. It's all depends. Okay. So don't fixation on the fixing on this locations also. And one question as that is night shifts. Shifts are rotational shifts. Some people may get only day shifts. Day shift means morning 9 to 6 or 9:30 to 6:30. Some may get a rotational shifts. It means some people will get only night shifts. We don't know because depends upon that project you got selected. Okay. So again, depends upon the client, depends upon the client location, depends upon your project, your shift is there. Again, don't fixing on the shifts also, guys. Why it is? Nothing will happen. Lot of people doing work in a different shift times. Some people work from afternoon 2 o'clock to midnight 11 o'clock. Some people work from the evening 6 o'clock to morning 2 o'clock. Okay. So some people work from 11 o'clock night to morning 8 o'clock. So, so depends upon shift hours also depends upon your project, depends upon your um, client. Okay, project means client. Depends upon client and client availabilities, and depends upon your SLE means your support SLE is there. 24/7 support, or it is only 8 hours per day support, like that. So you have to work on the different times, different locations also. Okay. So if you work in a night shifts, nothing happens, guys. All this because of a new trend is going on. Okay, like this. A lot of questions we got it. Okay. I told only two answers, right? One is location, another one is shift. Okay. So why? Because people are telling, so no, no, I got this location only, then I will work. So it won't happen like this. So I told us real time is different. Even you work in your favorite location like Bangalore or Hyderabad for 3 4 years in an organization, any organization. Maybe you have to shift it to another location. Compulsory depends upon your projects, depends upon a requirement in a specific project, depends upon the clients. It is there. Shifts also same thing. So don't fixing on it. People, a lot of people are working, guys. You are not only one person. Okay. So if required, you should be flexible to work. That's what company required. Not very knowledge people, not very experienced, very good communication, 100% top candidate. No, company required flexible people. Even I got into this advantage based on my flexibility of learning, flexibility of relocation. Okay. If I said, no, I want only in Hyderabad, I will work only in Pune. So they don't give it, right? So flexibility is very important. Any openings in Hyderabad, currently I cannot give any guarantee. If it is there, Raman sir will inform you, definitely. Okay. If it is available, definitely sir will inform you Hyderabad location. Mm, how many chances of interview I told, that is locations opening. Mm, after onboarding, do you have wait for project or can we directly? Yeah, project is onboarding means in the immediately you will involve in that project. Okay, generally, if their requirement in the project only, they will ask us to, they'll ask for the candidates. Okay, so if there is a openings, not openings, it is what I say. If there is a requirement on the specific project, so that HCL people will inform to us, our scientists, we need these many people for this project. These are the requirements. So based on that only, we are conducted training and requirement and all. Okay. So that's the point. It's not like train you and wait for some time only when as there is a required filling. No. If there is a requirement, then only we are filling. Yep. Okay. That's the point. Do you already two batches onboarding? We are said already two batches onboarding. Hyderabad, look, I'm not sure Hyderabad location people got it or not. Okay. Yeah, batch one of your campus batch one, batch two. I'm handling right now batch three. Right? So batch one, batch two. Their process here, their version, voice and action, technical interview for some people completed. Okay. I think they received a offer letter. That is, I'm not know. So I have to check in WhatsApp groups only. Okay. Or next time you are meeting with your Sir Evan sir, you can ask them about that. They get the point on that. Like there are also campus batches on batch one, batch two, batch three, batch four, batch five. This is batch five. Okay. So batch three and batch four still in the training mode. Batch one, batch two completed. What if there are not comfortable with the location? That is generally you should be comfortable in any location, guys. Even in the interview time also they will ask, are you comfortable to locate any location? What is your favorite location? Preferred location they will ask. They'll ask you, are you able to work in any location, anywhere in India? Can you able to work? So you should say yes only. Okay. So once you join, you can't generally change your location, but you have to wait for till your this what we say at least 6 months or 1 year completion. The latter possible, just you can give a request for your HR if any possibility of relocation from your current location to your required location. You can just drop a mail or some ask for request. That's it. Okay. But you have to work for a 1 year minimum with a 70s in HCL. Conf you have to make sure that we don't know, right, to which one person is comfortable in which locations. After making full time, does a job role changes? Else we need to work on the service desk itself. Service desk is a common name, guys. Everybody is a service desk persons only. But once you are become a permanent, means full time, are converted, the service desk totally same, but technically you are changing. Before that one, if you improve any technical specific domain knowledge, like meantime, you learn about networking. So you will be in the networking position. Okay. Internally that will be happens generally. Okay. Only thing is you just learn your work, what are the work is assigned to you. So you will understand the work based what technology you have to improve. Okay, which like your technology will improve. So improve that technology, learn. You have a Udemy company also provide lot of Udemy links also, then improve, go log in with your company account, learn it, practice it, or you can try go with some institutes and all. Meanwhile, okay. So then when you are converting FT also, just apply. These are the technical knowledge currently I'm having. These are the certifications I have done. So you can be internally exchange your um, positions. Okay. You can become L1 to L2 location if you have more experience in it. Okay. Shifts already told let us. Can we switch software related job after gaining 2 years of experience and service desk? Guys, service desk, this part, everything is infrastructure related, like a Windows Server administration, Linux administration, network administrator. You can become a security administrator, DevOps engineers, like that. This part we can able to do it. Switching from service desk to software, this is not much easy. Okay, but you can do any other things. Like for example, you want to become data scientist. Make yourself like a data analyst. Learn cloud-based database servers, Snowflake data warehouses, okay, Databricks, okay, Azure cloud data engineering. These are our administration side only. From your service desk to Azure data engineering, you can switch. But you can, but directly, I want to become a Power BI, this dashboard creations and that. That is become secondary only because powerful is you can go more powerful than that. For example, instead of become as just Java developer, you can become DevOps developer, DevOps engineer. DevOps is the administration side. You can easily switch from service desk to DevOps engineer. In DevOps, what you do, full stack only. Developer develop the program, but remaining everything you have to do it. Okay, you have to take the program and test it, deploy it, test it, deploy it, and monitor the deployments. These are all administration side from service desk with an experience through DevOps. You can become same thing for SRE also. Okay. So like that you can. Otherwise, still you want to become, you are passionate about a programming side only. But now we are not having that opportunity, right? You are going for a supporting role service desk. So you are want to look into the software side. So what you have to do? You want to become a programmer. Just you want to become a programmer, not any other things. What you have to do? Same thing. Do your work, learn your work, gain some experience, keep on working, keep on working. Meanwhile, participate these Corthan, hackathons, learn your programming better way. Lot of principles also introduced, right? Solid principles kind of stuff. Other applications. Do put it in a Git repositories. Okay, post it in your LinkedIn searches. Improve your knowledge in it. Okay, keep working on it. Any internal promotions, any internal requirements has happen, you can apply for that one. So definitely you have a knowledge. Definitely it is inside an possibilities there going into that one. There is a slightest possibilities also there, but not a direct possibility. What is the how to make it possible? Keep learning and write down any internal test, give any internal test purpose, or maybe participate in Kodathon, hackathon kind of stuff, right? So um, do improve in that in that pattern. Any internal job requirements, apply for that one. So you can move from there to here to there. Okay, that is. Shift hours for every person generally it is 8 hours plus lunch or 9 hours it is. But hours is not fixing, right? Depends upon your project, depends upon your client locations. So your shift may be different. So right now it's only night shift, only day shift. We can't give you any guarantees. But any shift you should be able to flexible to work on it. Um, I didn't get it. With whom we should talk, a client or a lead, team lead about project. So generally your team lead, okay, the team lead will assign the work to you. Today you have to do this one. You have to do some installation or configuration. You have to connect it to remote server and update the remote servers. So team lead will assign the work to you generally. A team lead to tell you. So this is the clients. So these are the tickets we are assigning to you. So work on these tickets means either it can be a task to complete the task, or maybe it can be issue to resolve the kind of stuff. Okay. Generally, your team will assign the work to you. So you have to work on it. You're talking to your client. So whenever if based on client requirement you are working, based on the client issue you are working, you are talking to your client, but work is assigned by your team lead only. I don't attend the orientation after onboarding. Can we HCL company for us? Yeah, you are going to HCL company, guys. Your work location is in a HCL only. Okay, you are working in a HCL company only. Under 70s payroll means you are getting salary from 70s. Your offer letter, your I think yesterday only. Yeah, yes, I forget that. Yesterday only the batch one, batch two people received the offer letter. Okay, offer letter I know. So because sir told to our HR team to give the offer, release the offer letter to the people who are got selected, list of people, right? There's 10, 15 members are selected, so they are getting. Okay, so offer letter, appointment letter, your relieving letters. Everything will be 70s. Your 70s only paying salary to you. But your work location is HCL. So that is a condition mentions because 70s your payroll company, you're working in HCL, that will be mentioned in your offer letter and appointment letters also. So whenever you going for after this 70s 1 year, you're working in a 70s payroll. After 1 year, so if your HCL check your performance of 1 year performance and their internal requirements and performance. So then they will convert into your FT. In case you are not convert into FT after 1 year, so either you can continue your work. Okay, if SCL requirement is there, you can continue your work, wait for your FT conversion. Okay, or you can try for any different company also. Okay, because if you are telling that I worked in a HCL for 1 year or work in a HCL for 2 years, so definitely higher level job means good paying jobs are there, good company jobs, faster requirement is there. You are working in a HCL company means you are working in a reputed organization. You are going for any other reputed organization. So more preferable candidate you are become because I'm not just telling. I have seen while our HR teams works on the different profiles, right? Experience profiles. When they share the people, 10 members, they share the profiles based on the client requirement. They share the profiles to the client. So client, what they will check it? The client, first thing they will, what is they check it? Are you from any reputed organization? That candidate, what we are sharing is the candidate from the reputed organization, like working in HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, like that. Did he work from any reputed organization? So that is the first thing. Second one is continuity. Some people work for 1 year on one company, 1 year another company, 1 year another company. Okay. So what is the company, recruitment company? What the people check it. So the HR, how much consistency, even you have a 6 years of experience, worked in a 5 companies. Okay. Your work experience is 6 years. You worked in a 4 companies, 5 companies, 6 companies, 7 companies. No, that is become lesser. So your resume become not going to be happens. You work for 2 companies in 6 years, 3 years in one company, 3 years in one other company. So that will more requirements. You are a consistency people. Okay, working in an organization for longer time, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. I came here 8 years. Okay, and I worked in a scientist for 8 years. Earlier inconsistent, now it is I'm consistent. 8 years I worked. So consistency they will check it. And what are the profile they are changing means how there are they started. What is the first their role? What is the current role? What are the duties are changed? What is the technical improvement? Technical interview, salary expectations remaining definitely will be there. So longer you work, it is better for next level. It is you can go. Okay. So your work location is HCL under Savantis payroll. Someone typed something, but I didn't understand which language it is. Okay. Amulya typed something. We don't know. After gaining some experience, can be shifted to IT role. This is IT role only, guys. This is a technical role, IT role. This is not a non-technical role, not a BPO. It is technical role, and that too, you are not connected to any different users. For example, in my home, I have a Wi-Fi internet, right? In my home, I have Wi-Fi. It's a Airtel one. I got a problem. I will call to Airtel customer care. So they will understand what is my requirement, create a ticket, assign the ticket to technical person. That person will come and check it and try to resolve it. Who am I? I'm an individual person. I'm a individual person. I'm a retail customer. You are not dealing with any retail customer. As per my knowledge, most of the people are what is we discussed, right? You're not generally dealing with any retail type of customers. You're going to deal with a customer means who is another organization. Okay. Your company providing services to another organization, different service, network related, server related, storage related. So depends upon that customer getting the services. Means other company, like Savantis is a company. Savantis taking service of Microsoft Office 365 service we are using. Okay. ACT internet services we are using. Tata internet we are using. Okay. Two internet services we use it generally because we have a server public connection. We need a backup server. Okay. Two internet services we use it. Now in Savantis, we are facing internet issue. To whom I am complaining? ACT only. They will go into resolve it. But this is organizational level, not a individual level. So you are dealing with the organization, not with the individual. So it's no random person will call you and they don't call you. They don't tell you some stories. This is other organizations. They are getting a service related issues or requirements, information required. They will ask you. Okay. So this is a technical role, guys. This is a IT part of IT only. Service desk is a part of IT only. Maybe your mention about an IT is software. Again, directly from service desk experience with the service desk experience to IT software related, it is no. it is very less possibilities direct going. But if you really want to become a programmer side, then start learning that one also. Keep learning, improving your techniques. Any related certification is there, any internal promotions are there, or any better my idea is learn full stacks. Learn about a DevOps, SREs. You want to become a part of an software development cycles. Learn DevOps, learn SRE, Scrum Master, learn Scrum, Agile methodologies. Because DevOps is all about Agile methodology, Scrum Master only. Okay, learn those things. Learn about a shell scripting, Linux shell scripting. Learn Linux and learn shell scripting. Administration side you will go, and full stack side in a Java full stack. The major part is testing and deploying. So learn about those things. So definitely it's an IT. It's not about not only software guys. In IT, there is a lot of profiles are there. Windows administration, network administration, okay, DevOps engineers, security engineers. There is a lot of profiles you can go. But you want to go, you have to learn those things. Okay. Is there any possible to selecting also? Mostly no. So you can't able to select your location, but you can say your preferable location at the time of interview, but you may not get your preferable location. Generally, based on the location wise only, but you can talk to sir about your preferable location. Sir will tell what are the current locations are available. You can pick up that. So sir will try to put in that interview pattern only. Okay. So most demanding is Bangalore and Hyderabad. So that's why very less chances of going to Bangalore and Hyderabad. Chennai, Trivandrum, Pune, Noida. These are the people will generally most often. So don't worry about it. Afternoon, maybe SAR will inform you in your group. So if you, I think it is there. If it is there, definitely SAR will inform you in the afternoon class. Mostly at 2 to 2:30 it will be there. Okay. So you have a communication session is there. Is PF generated for, yes, PF is there, I think so, yeah, for HCL. Yeah, you are under payroll of Savantis, yes, right. You got a PF also there. Okay. How much PF amount that is you can discuss with your HR only. Okay. 40,000 check, I will tell about it. Guys, you have to work in our organization for 1 year. With Savantis, you have to work because we are not collecting any amount for your training and deploying, right? This is a train and hire model, right? So for train you and putting into the company, you are not charging anything. Only thing is you have to pay for your version test. That is part of version test amount only. Second one is you are paying for your BGV. That is background verification is there after you're selected into HCL. So you are going your documents will be verified by separate company. Okay, so that company will verify your documentation, experience, and everything, your college, everything. They will verify you. For that amount, you have to pay for background verification for that company, not Savantis, because that is you have to pay for it. And you are not. Now, about a 40,000, you should work in a HCL for with a 70 payroll for 1 year. Within a 1 year, you are converted into FT, no problem. Okay. After 1 year, if you convert or not convert, this your 40,000 check, we don't charge you. If possible, we'll try to return entire check to you. Otherwise, we will cancel your check ourselves only. We don't charge on the 40,000. But some people will do some kind of drama or something. I can't comment on no comments, but some people what they will do it. So they'll join in HCL. Again, they work for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, they will work it. They will tell some reasons. Sometimes it is genuine reason, sometimes not a genuine also. We can't judge on it, right? Some really having a problems. Maybe their household problem. Maybe they got another opportunities. Okay. Some people will get some finance, home related problems are there. So they don't want to continue. So they want to go back to their hometown, or maybe they go into the another company. They break and go into another company. So how we will get it? How we will get benefited? If you are working for 1 year, then at least we have some benefit from HCL to ours. But you are leaving in middle. That is not for our company goodness, right? So definitely we'll charge on that 40. Before we charge, we'll ask you, are we going to encash your 40,000 check? Or maybe you are going to pay for that amount directly. So then we will return the check to you. Okay. So that is simple, guys. We don't charge you. We never charge on the 40,000 without means like what we say. If you complete the 1 year period, we'll return the check to you. So we don't require your 40,000. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. This. Think like this, guys. You just go to any institute, go to Jet King or CMS, not CMS is not there now. Okay. Go to Jet King, NIT or anything. They will charging 70, 80,000 and no job after that. You're not paying anything. You're getting something reputed organization, a proper government recommended salary you're getting. The salary is also not by company, it is government. Ensure that minimum salary has to be paid. That is you are getting. Okay. And career oriented. So what about those things? So people simply blaming nowadays is a trolling life it is we are doing. What we people are telling it is, yeah, so why we should go to this location, why we are doing these shifts, okay, why are getting the small salaries. No one will do this one kind of stuff. Come to reality, guys. Come to real world. Definitely you will understand. And of course, again, I'm talking about 40,000 check, right? So that is we don't charge. This is only for keep you guarantee for 1 year in 70 payroll. In case before 1 year, if you convert into FT, that is also okay. We'll return your check. Okay. If not, within a 1 year, less than 1 year, you didn't convert into FT, but you are leaving company on yourself, then that's 40,000 will comes into the picture. Okay. Any doubt again? Is there any chance that batchmates and I can get same location? I don't know. So no one knows that one. Okay, mostly some people will get in same location, some batch, 5, 6 members will get into the same floor, same location. So some people will get a same location, different floors also possible. Okay, we can't give you any guarantee that everybody will in that one. Friends will be like that also, no problem. Our career is first place is very important. Okay, uh, after training, interview will be for 70. HCL will take your interview, guys. The Versant is we are conducting Versant is by it's online test. So Pearson, you take care of your Versant test. Okay. So Versant test completed. It's a test, computer based test. Once completed, we share the your score to HCL. So HCL will conduct your interview. We are not conducting your interview. Okay. HCL conduct voice and accent. Voice and accent clear. Then it is a technical interview by HCL only. So HCL will select you. We can't select you. Okay. Uh, What is 6 months or 1 year? No. So once your technical interview completed, so we have to technical interview completed because HCL will schedule that interview. We can't schedule it. HCL will schedule your voice and accent and technical interview. That is in the HCL hand only. Once they're done, technical interview, you got selected, you will be onboarded immediately. You have to work for 1 year on the 70 payroll. Some people, for few people, will be not few people. In some cases, they are in the 6 months. After 6 months, they convert into FT. Some people convert after 1 year. Okay. So whether FT conversion or not, also convert. But you should like if you convert in 6 months, no problem. If it is after 1 year, no problem. But you have to stay for 1 year. That is important. Joining and leaving from the company is not a good idea. Also, guys. That's it is. I don't know who is your project manager. Okay. Project manager, once you join in a company, you will know that one. So I don't know. You is your project manager. Project manager, not from Savantis. Is a HCL person. Your team leads, project managers, everybody is HCL people only. Your HR is two HRs are there. You have two managers are there. One is HR from Savantis. One HR is from Savantis, who is guide you remaining things about your PF accounts or about your salary crediting, everything that is one HR is handling. His name is Dinesh. Okay. Dinesh is your HR or all our HR. Okay. Not only your HR, all our HR only. Okay. Such animation is mere HR recruiters. So they recruit the people. But main HR works will be done by HR. Your project manager is HCL personnel. Compulsory, we have to work Avantis 1 year if you get opportunity. Shift HCL permanently. Okay, that is no problem, guys. If you are, that's what I said, right? So you work for 6 months, 8 months, you got a FT to HCL. No problem. Okay, no problem. We don't charge on that 40,000 check. Okay, no problem. Okay. In case you didn't convert, 1 year you have to work. Minimum 1 year you have to work. You want to continue on the 70s, you can also continue in HCL after 1 year also. Okay. Some people continue like that. Some people will try another job. Some people will try to convert into HCL. Okay. So sometimes, that's I said, no, some only few times it is happened in a less than 1 year, they convert the people into the HCL. If you convert into HCL, that is no problem with your bond, no problem. But if you leave the company, like you leave the HCL, within a 1 year, you leave, you are left from the HCL, you left from the 70s. Okay, you leave from the HCL. Okay, that is the problem begins. Okay, not a problem. You got a very good opportunity, guys. Very good opportunity in another company. So what you have to do, then 40,000 is nothing matter if you are getting good opportunity, because while you are working, you are also get a lot of opportunities in it. Okay, that's why. But my suggestion is, some people leave just because of their friend told, just because of and their relatives or friends. They're telling that, so why are you working that place? Come back and we'll try to enjoy. We are enjoying this place. You're struggling a lot. So that's okay. Some people in leave wantedly in middle, just for a giving small kind of reasons. My suggestion is don't leave like that. It's not about 40,000 or anything. It's all about your career, guys. Your career is more important than any other things. Okay. If you have a career, you have a job, you have a career, people will respect you. Okay. When I do not have a job, what they will, people are asking, what are you doing? After for 2 years, 3 years, again, what are you doing? How much you are getting money now? Okay. So people are keep on talking. Ignore those people. They're no useful. Okay. If they are useful, okay. But useless ideas, useless only. Don't worry about it. Your career is important. For me, my career is important. I can go back to my home and stay, but in there, no opportunities, no jobs. What I have to do? So Lakshmi said, it is, I am interested in GCP cloud. I have certification and associating it will be useful. So, yeah. Okay. No, no AWS, no GCP for this profile. Right? Of course, you have done certification when at the time of interview. Practice some basic questions on the GCP. If you are mentioned about GCP in your resume or AWS or GCP, if you are mentioned your resume, and if you to or and or you told at a time of interview you have a knowledge on GCP or AWS. In interview, there is a possibility of questions on it. So prepare on the questions also. But your profile may not be work on the GCP or AWS, but it is useful for internal promotions. Internal technical domain changing, it is very useful once you are inside. not directly, but inside. Once you are inside, it is possible to go that way. So there is a one profile called CGS. If you got that, if your project is CGS, okay, CGS profile you have selected, so definitely it is your cloud knowledge is very useful in it. Okay, so you have any technical knowledge, specific technical knowledge, AWS, Azure, GCP, full stack Java developer, full stack Python developer, data analysis related. Because if you mention in your resume or you mention in the time of interview, definitely there is a questions. So prepare certain questions and answers based on that one. Okay, and it is not directly your opportunity, but it is useful once you are inside an organization. Try with that profile also. Okay. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I will going to complete your. Um, Noida, lot of people, our students, girls are also working in Noida locations. I'm not know. So where they are staying, I don't know right now. So if you want, um, we'll get that information. Okay. So where these girls who are working in a Noida location from our AP Telangana people also working there. So if you want, I will find out their where which location where they are staying and all. If you want, we'll provide that information. So then you can do check it. Okay. A lot of people are working in Noida. Even I know one person that is, I don't know where is she staying, but she actually first her sister, uh, little sister, okay. She's big sister and little sister. She's like sister got selected in Noida. Within 6 months, she got, that's why, some people in certain, only few people got converted into FT in a 6 months. Her sister converted into FT. Then she went to the Noida location, same location. Yeah. Okay, same place. I'm not sure how many vacancies. You can discuss with Revan sir in afternoon session. So number of things. You don't worry about number of vacancies and all, guys. Okay. How many months? Maybe 1 year. Okay. 3 lakhs per annum. Deductions means there is PF deduction is there. Okay, professional tax and PF deduction. I think no professional tax, zero professional tax per 2.2. Only PF deduction is there, remaining no deductions. Okay. So this is, do you have any safety support or physical? I think they will provide a cab. For female, they are providing cab. Males also, just you can confirm with your Ravan sir or any recruitment team. So because they got a direct orientation, I don't attend that orientations, right? I'm technical person. To just normal conversation and clarifying doubts only I'm telling. Okay. I think they are providing cabs, company cab only. Okay. For for female, both day and night. Even any shifts also they are providing both. Okay, for female. For males, it is only night shifts they are providing cab. I think so. Not confident. Okay, just you can say. Company benefits, I'm not sure. I think you will get ESI because 2.2 means mostly you will get as ESI. Okay, you can confirm with the sir only. Okay. Check submission is after selection, I think so. Interview, when you are about to go to technical interview or you went to the technical interview. Okay. So that time, most in between only, in between only. Okay. It means within, before you go into technical interview, mostly I think so. Yeah, you can just talk to his search and wish. He will help you that one. When you have to submit your check. Okay. Could you please send document in WhatsApp chat or to this? Which document? Our class document. I will share the link. Okay. In that link, what we discussed today, it will be there. clarify whether this opportunity is under NATS. What is NATS? Okay. What is NATS? I am not knowing. This is a new one. It is baseball team. National Appreciation Training. I am no. It is not apprenticeship training. Okay. It is a technical training. So it's not apprenticeship. It's a train and hire type. So based on the yeah. Thank you given for national apprenticeship training scheme. It's not about a government related. Okay, it's not a government training or a government participation training. It is this training is hire and model, guys. Train and hire model means based on the client requirements. We are training. We are giving training based on your work, based on your their requirement. Okay, it's not like that. We train you for particular time. Later we'll see. No, based on their requirement, they need a people, so that's why we are giving training to you. Okay, that's the point, not anything. Okay, I think some of okay. If you have any other than doubts, also you can ask your Ravan sir or Sachan Vesha Tejasvi also. You can talk to them, so they will clarify any other doubts also. My point is, guys, this is a good opportunity. Lot of people are getting into inside and working, doing their well and in their careers. Even some people, after 2, 3 years, they went to Canada and all for a MS purpose. They're also getting opportunities in their MS program also because of experience. Experience, knowledge is all matters, guys. Remaining are bakwas, nothing. Okay, experience and knowledge in IT company, reputed company. These are all matters. All remaining are backwards. If you have any other doubts based on the 70s company, come to 70s company or talk to people who are working from our 70s in the different payrolls also will do it. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Okay. So this is some of my personal points are there. No official things. All things are my personal point to clarify because you're a fresher. You most of you don't know real time, so that's why I'm saying. Okay. Yeah, all the best, guys. So tomorrow, then we start the service desk topic. There you will get more clarify related to the service desk profile. Related to the profile, we'll discuss the service desk. It will take at least 2 to 3 days. So there we will more understanding about this profile, how what we will do, how you will get a ticket, how you resolve the ticket. Instead of someone is telling some wrong information, we'll see. And also I will share some videos, the real-time working videos. So that person will explain more. So I will share that one tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start about the service desk. Morning, possible 10 to 10:30 in between, 10:15 to 10:30 only. Okay. Mostly it is 10:30. I will inform you the time. If any time related changes, I will inform you before it. Okay. Yeah. So I think everybody clarified. Good. So can we leave? Can we say bye bye? Thank you. Any response?